Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you new here, my name is Gianna. I make lifestyle videos, fashion videos, selling videos, all those types of things, and currently we are doing 12 days of Vlogmas, so subscribe if you are not, because you don't want to miss any Vlogmas days. Of course, this is like the best time of the year. But before we jump into the video, I just wanted to start off by saying that this is a new intro. I filmed an entire intro on Sunday when I filmed the original vlog, and I'm just sitting here editing it now, and I have no words. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know why I was so shaky, but my hand was shaking the entire clip that it was almost like this the entire time. So I am scrapping that intro. I'm starting it over right now, and then we'll just continue on with the rest of the footage. But what you're going to be watching is a Sunday reset routine, basically what I do every single Sunday. And I'm not sure if I touch on this, but pretty much working remotely gives me so much freedom, so I don't really have to put so much pressure on Sundays and getting everything set for the week on a Sunday, because I just work from home all the time now, so Mondays are a little bit more laxed. But I do like having some sort of routine on a Sunday to start my week on a good foot, so that is what you're going to see here. I hope you guys enjoy it, and of course if you do, I'd love if you give it a thumbs up and subscribed. If you are not, of course, all of my socials will be linked down below as well, and I would appreciate if you went on there. And if you like what you see, go follow me in there as well. So yeah, let's just get into the video now. But I did have to say that I'm like refilming that entire intro because it's like I literally drank coffee and ate no food after. My hand was like so shaky. So yeah, let's get into the vlog. But it is 9:45. I'm just waiting for my friend Katie to come pick me up. We're gonna run to TJ Maxx. She's getting her puppy today. She's been waiting for her dog for like a year to be born, that whole shebang. So she's finally getting the dog today. She's so excited. She's getting an Australian Shepherd. His name is Leroy, and she wants to run to TJ Maxx to get some last minute things for him. So I said I would tag along, of course. So yeah, piece of hair is driving me absolutely insane. Also, I had to just like shove so much bronzer in my head because I self-tanned literally 2 days ago. Mind you, this was 2 days ago. I feel like Isle of Paradise develops in a longer time span than they advertise. Like, I'm pretty sure on the bottle it says like 4 to 6 hours or something like that. No, I put that stuff on before I go to bed, and I literally wake up and I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm tan. But then by the end of the day, like the following day, I'm like straight up orange. So I have to be super careful when I use it. I kind of go a little overboard. But yeah, Sunday routine. I'm trying to start early with my new year, like in a healthy way. So I've been trying to eat better. I don't eat very well. Like, if you know me, you've been following me for a while, you know I eat like trash. So I'm trying to eat better. And I figured I would just like start off this Sunday by going to the gym, because Paul like goes and plays golf like every Saturday and Sunday pretty much. And on Saturdays I usually go shoot. And then Sundays I just kind of like chill. That's when normally when I have Moo, but Moo's back on Long Island right now with my parents. So I kind of have like free time. So I figured, why not go to the gym, you know? Normally a lot of my Sundays just consist of like grocery shopping and doing laundry. So that is what this vlog will be. I kind of want to go to Costco today and get some stuff. I don't normally like grocery shop there. Like, me and Paul will normally go to either like Aldi or Harris Teeter. But I want to get like eggs. He's been eating a lot of eggs, and I eat eggs every morning, so I want to get like the big thing of eggs. And then I also want to get ramen, because I've been making my own personal like ramen, just using like the ramen noodles that come in like the orange packets. And I want to get like a lot of it because I've been going through it pretty quickly with just like making so much ramen. I've been making this really great ramen recipe that I remember. I'll link it down below. It's so good. It's from the Modern Proper. I just rambled for a very long time, so I apologize. But I'm gonna do like a little quick cleanup. There's like a few things out on the counter that I just want to like clean up, and then hopefully by then we will be on our merry way to TJ Maxx. I have a few things that I want to look for, just like a few things for my dad, my mom, Moo, of course. I already got Paul's gifts, so he's like done. But yeah, I also want to get some gifts for my bosses. That too, I need to look for that. But yeah, okay, let's do like a little cleanup. All right, Katie's here. I'm not gonna wear these. I was gonna wear these unless if I wear these. It's not even that sunny. But I will talk to you guys a little bit later. I don't think I'm gonna get much footage there just because I'm going to TJ Maxx. But I will try and get any worthy footage on my phone and I will talk to you guys when I'm back. I'm back. I want to show you guys what I got because I got some really good stuff, honestly. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I actually showed up there and I didn't have my wallet, so thank God they took Apple Pay. Because if they didn't take Apple Pay, I don't know what I was gonna do. So I did some damage. I got a few like gifts and things and just stuff for Moo. Specifically, obviously, I got stuff for Moo. But the first thing I got was this ribbon. I feel like I got it ripped off, but it's fine. I'm gonna put it outside on the door and it's gonna look so cute. So I got that. And then I got this backpack for my mom. She's been wanting a backpack because she works at the schools and she like wears a backpack every day. So I got her this one for Christmas and it comes with like a little pouch and it's actually very cute. It's like a dark army. It kind of reminds me of my, oh shoot, of my my Lulu crossbody. But anyway, next thing I got was for Moo. I got him a new harness. He has like a bunch of harnesses, but this is just like a new one. And this is my favorite one. So if you have a small dog, this is a really good harness because it like clips. So you put it down like this on the floor and then it clips on top of them. And it's like padded and it's just really nice quality. So I love this one. It's by the Dog Walker Company. Saw this and I was like, I need to get this. So this is a memory paw print ornament. And as you guys know, I'm obsessed with Moo. He's like my soul dog and I just love this. So I got this for him and I'm gonna do it when I get home. I'm so excited. I got gloves because I've been wanting these to wash the dishes. I got the iconic game of LCR because this is my favorite game in the entire world and I play it all the time at holidays and stuff. So, oh my god. So I got this. Ew, I look so rough today. Next thing I got, if you've been following me for a while, you know that Moo is like obsessed with this gingerbread man and I can't find it anywhere, but this is like a very similar size to his gingerbread. It's like a really big gingerbread. He loves it. So I got him this. Last but not least, I got a gift from my boss. She loves her aroma diffuser, essential, whatever they're called. She uses it in the office all the time, but now that we kind of work from home and she travels a lot, I got her this little USB one. I don't know if the camera is like picking it up. So it clips to the laptop. You see that? And then I got her a little essential oils. So I got her eucalyptus, lavender, and tea tree because she really likes like minty peppermint ones and I felt like these were good. So I got this for her. That is all the stuff that I got. I'm really, really happy with the stuff I got. I was gonna get my dad something too, but I don't know. My mom's kind of like, meh. And then I also was gonna get my brother something, but my mom was like, I don't really know about that. So yeah, I think I might like, I'm not gonna wrap this stuff, but I also was kind of picky about what I was getting because I'm flying home to Long Island. And I'm gonna check a bag, but of course I, you know, don't want to have it be overweight, so yeah. Next thing on the Sunday reset routine is washing the sheets. I hate washing sheets because I hate putting the sheets back on, but I know it's vital. So we're gonna strip the bed and do some laundry. Okay. Okay. So, Paul got home a little while ago. He just went to go grab his car. We're gonna run to Costco to go get some food for the week. So I'll bring you guys along. And yeah. I feel like I look rough today. All right, we just got back from grocery shopping. First thing I got was baking soda. I'm gonna leave this in the fridge so it like keeps the fridge not smelling gross. I got this goldfish vanilla cupcake for my sweet tooth cravings. Ramen. They didn't have this at Costco, so I was a little annoyed, but I got ramen for like all the ramen I'm gonna make this week. What are these? Gallon bags, so we didn't have any left. And this is like the star of the show, even though this is kind of open. Not really open, but like it's like ripped. Double fudge brownies. So I got those. I also got another, oh, hold on. Okay. I'm gonna put this back here, because it's kind of heavy. Put my mask. Also got another goldfish. So we got like sweet and salty. Very important to me. Next up, granola bars. Thanks for lunch. I really like these. Have you ever tried them? They're like spinach and feta, I think. Yeah. And they're gonna be so good in the air fryer, so got those. And these were kind of like an impulse buy. But Paul got this. Porchetta, pork loin with bacon, fennel seeds, lemon zest, and Italian herbs. And then we got a chicken meatball. So that's the grocery haul. I have some food that we got when we got here last week, like on Wednesday. So we didn't need too much. But now I'm gonna pull this away. And then I'm gonna sit on the couch and probably do more laundry. So, yeah. I just took a shower. I feel so clean and like just so good. Still have my hair wrap in. But I'm gonna clean my bathroom now. It's about, what time was it? It's 4:45. I really want to go for a walk tonight, so I'm gonna see if Paul goes with me. But I'm gonna clean my bathroom. That shouldn't take me too long. Stuff is still being cleaned in the washing machine. My comforter takes forever to dry, so I have a feeling that's gonna take like another 2 like tries to get it to dry. But I'm gonna clean out my bathroom now. Tonight's snack, Trader Joe's Big Soft Pretzels. I've never had these before, but I saw them and I am addicted to big pretzels. Like wherever we go out to eat, I always get a pretzel. So I'm gonna make one of these. We're watching, what'd you say?
You love pretzels.
That's right, I do. So I'm gonna make one of these in the air fryer. We're watching The Real Housewives of OC.
DUI? No, I thought I was just like a game.
Sheriffs were going out to arrest you today.
Just getting ready for bed. Closing up all the stuff. Okay. Gotta make the bed now, which really sucks. It's literally 9:30. It was like 7:30 before, and I thought it was already like 9:30 then. I was like, oh, I'm so ready to go to bed. Like, I think I'm gonna get ready and like head to bed. And I looked at the clock and it was literally 7:30. I was like, are you kidding me? I am going to end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my Sunday routine and my Sunday reset routine. This is pretty much what I do every Sunday. Of course, it's not as like pressure filled because I don't have like a specific time. I'm like, oh my god, I want to get all this stuff done on Sunday because I have to go into work tomorrow. Like working remotely definitely gives me a lot more freedom, but I still like having a little bit of a routine just to start my week off on the right foot. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe down below because I'd love to have you stick around forever. But of course, we're Vlogmas. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video for Vlogmas Day 3. Bye.